Loosen the two screws next to the swing support arm. Loosen the screw holding the swing support arm. Open the swing support arm slightly. Open the folded legs. Lock place on folding legs. Turn over table. Open the swing support arm and fix it with screws. Loosen the screw fixing the fifth leg. Put the fifth leg down. Adjust the height of the foot cup. Make sure the swing support arm section level with the main countertop. Take out the samples of square nuts and black knob screws. Take out the samples of square nuts and black knob screws. Note: do not tighten the square nuts as long as they do not fall off. Unscrew the black nut securing the swing support arm. Make sure the swing support arm can be pulled back and forth. Insert the swing support arm bearing into the outer hole of the west countertop. Insert the 3 square sliders into the groove on the right side of the track. Ensure that the track and the west countertop are at the same level. Tighten the black nut. Push the track to check for abnormalities. Pay attention to distinguish the left and right flip buckles. This is the flip buckle on the left. Take out the 3 nuts on the left tack. Take out the 3 nuts on the right auxiliary platform. All 6 black nuts need to be gasketed. Install 2 flip buckles. Note: do not tighten. Need to adjust the position. Place the square nut into the groove inside the pusher. Align the left side of the pusher with the sun limb. Position on the right side of the DIN scale on the saw table. Confirm that the pusher is parallel to the calibration line on the track. Or press on the calibration line. Fix the flip buckle to the side nut of the pusher. Fix the flip buckle to the side nut of the pusher. 2 points should be noted before fixing. 1. Whether the 3 厘米 on the pusher is aligned with the 3 厘米 on the right side of the DIN scale on the main table. 2. Whether the pusher is parallel to the calibration line on the track. The potter has 2 positions, 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Align the square nut with the hole on the side of the pusher. Just tighten it. Install the foot cup and adjust the height. Expand the material rack and insert it into the main countertop. Open the extension board and lock the latch at the bottom of the extension board. Install the vacuum tube. Tighten the vacuum tube and the fan outlet. Unscrew the black nut, lifting and lowering the large saw blade by the bottom screw. Rise to the right height. Tighten the black nut to fix the height of the big saw blade. Up and down of small blade. Loosen side nuts. Hold the motor with your left hand. Hold the black nut with the right hand. Push the small motor up hard. Similarly, push to the appropriate height. Tighten the black nut to fix the height of the small saw blade. Suitable height for small saw blade, 1.5到2.5毫米. Push the splitting knife all the way up. Unscrew the inner screw. Loosen the outer screw. Insert the splitting knife into the gap in the middle of the dust cover and tighten the screws. The dust cover is loose after installation. There is an adjustment screw on the back of the backer head to adjust the tightness. Lower saw blade. Remove the vacuum bag. Lower saw blade. Remove the vacuum bag. Press the left and right spring buttons with both hands. Remove the material rack and fold it up. Remove the pusher. Note, this is to remove the pusher, not the flip buckle. Unscrew some lug nuts and remove the vise countertop. Loosen the bottom screw. Fold the fifth leg. Fold swing support arm and fix it with screws. Press the triangular folding buckles at both ends of the extension board. Lower the extension board.